Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so in today's video, I want to show you 6 monthly paying stocks that are actually real estate investment trusts. Now, I really love these REITs or REITs. There's a lot of different ways to say it. I really love the real estate investment trust companies. They have a lot of properties that they control. They have a lot of money that they control. And I like that they can pay a monthly dividend to their shareholders. So let's go ahead and get into it. First company up today is ticker symbol LTC, or LTC Properties Inc. Now, as you can see, for their 1 month, they're up 3.5% on top of what they're paying on dividends per month. Now, their monthly dividends that they're paying right now is 19 cents per month per share. So that is pretty cool. They engage in senior housing, healthcare properties, nursing facilities, assisted living facilities, independent living facilities, and memory care facilities. So pretty cool. They founded in 1992. They have a market price right now of $42.84. They have 20 employees or so. They have a really great price earnings ratio, or PE ratio, of 19, and their dividend yield of 5%. So I really love that. They have a huge market cap of $1.74 billion. If you buy it today, it's 2% higher right now than average, but their earnings right now, guys, is pretty much solid all the way across the board, averaging around 75, 78 cents on the share. So earnings per share is looking good. Some similar companies down at the bottom, but overall I believe this is a very strong company. They have been paying a dividend for quite some time now, and so this marks as a monthly paying REIT. Alright, so let's move on to another company that we all know, APLE, or Apple Hospitality RIT Inc. Now, this company has been doing okay for the last year. The monthly is not as great, but they do have a lot of dips, a lot of great opportunities to buy low, even though it is at a low price already at $18.21. This is also a real estate investment trust. They all are going to be, but these ones primarily deal with lodging sectors such as urban and high-end suburban and developing real estate markets, such as like the Marriott and Hilton brands. Now, it's founded in 2007, so it's not as old as some of the other companies. It does employ 56 employees, so it does have quite a bit more employees than the last one we were talking about. Has a PE ratio of 21, which is still really good, and it has a 6% dividend yield, which is actually really good as well. $4.23 billion market cap, so they have a lot of money to spend. And if you bought that company right now, it would be at 1% lower than normal. Looks like its earnings per share right now is right around 40 cents per share, which is actually fairly good. And as you can see, April 15th, I got 10 cents from owning this company. So they do pay out a great dividend. They are still currently at 10 cents a share per month, which is pretty great. This is a solid company really for anybody to invest in. All right, we're going to go to the next one. Stage Industrial Inc., or STAG. This is also another great company to get involved with. They're up 1.81% for the month. For the year, I believe they are going to be up 6% for the year. A lot of great opportunities down here to buy at a cheaper price. Right now, they're at $27.36, and they basically deal with acquisitions and operations of industrial real properties assets. So they deal with a lot of different things. They were founded in 2010. They have 72 employees, so quite a few employees. Their PE ratio is super high at a 58, so I might second guess this Stage. You're getting a monthly income still. There's still a lot of growth, but it's just a little bit more expensive for value stock, so it's not definitely a value stock. Dividend yield of 5%, which is actually pretty good, and a market cap of $2.71 billion. So they do have a lot of money right now. They're 9% higher. Now that could be, you could think of this two ways. Being higher is a good sign that it's going to be uptrending, or it's overly bought and it's actually going to go down a little bit to an average of 25, and that'd be a better position to buy in at. It's up to you. They have straight across the board here around 44 cents per share on their earnings per share, and this is what makes it another great company to buy in on. Now, Stage does pay 11 cents per month per share, so that is another great reason to get this company. Now, another company that we all love, Realty Income, or ticker symbol O. It's at $54.65 right now. It's at 2%, almost 3% growth for the month, and then also has a 4% growth for the year. Another couple opportunities to buy. Now, they deal with real estate companies who engage with monthly cash flow dividends, who are consistent and predictable levels of cash flow for management, in-house acquisitions, portfolio management, asset management, credit research, real estate research, a lot of different things this company does. They have 152 employees. They've been around since 1969, so this company's actually been around a lot longer than the other ones we spoke of. PE ratio of 48. Now, it is high, but I would still recommend this stock as a winner and as one to buy, with a 4.5% dividend yield and a $15 billion market cap. This company is off the charts right now. 2% higher to buy right now, with an average around 53.79, but still there's a lot of people saying to buy and hold. I definitely was selling this. I had some history here of 22 cents, so got paid on April 17th, and their earnings per share is just straight across the board again, guys. That's why I love real estate investment trust companies with monthly dividends, because usually their earnings per share is very high and very consistent. So that's at right around 80 cents per share. Another great company to get into here, and Realty Income actually pays 22 cents every single month per share. So that's a great company to get into. The next company I'm going to talk about is EPR Properties. Now, EPR Properties is another real estate investment trust, of course. They all are. This one's up 6% in 1 month, guys. Really great. Now, it also had a dip here. It's showing that it's only up, it's actually down almost 2% for the year. But with this opportunity to buy low, why not take it at $52? You're now at $65. Now, EPR Properties development, finance, and leases of theaters, entertainment, retail, and family entertainment centers. Some things like entertainment, education, recreation, and other things is what they basically invest in and what have they properties in. They started in 1997. They have 63 employees. Their PE ratio is very low at a 23, which is great. Dividend yield of 6.23, which is also very great, and a market cap of almost $5 billion, guys. So they have a lot of money to still invest and deal with. They're 4% higher right now with an average of $63. And again, as you can see, straight across the board here, about $1.30 per share. Great company to get in on, and EPR Properties actually pays a dividend right now of 36 cents per share. So this is one of the highest paying real estate investment trusts that we'll be talking about today, and another reason why you should go out and possibly buy this stock. So last one, number 6, Blue Rock Residential Growth RIT Inc. Now this one is a cool little stock. It's only at $8.96. It's not a whole lot. It's up 2%, which is 21 cents for the month. It's down actually 23% for the year, and in the 5-year mark, it is actually down about 8%. Now there's been a lot of dips and pulls and dips, but there has also been some rallies here. I'd be very cautious on this one in general, just because it does have some descending patterns. It's extremely volatile. But basically what they do is they acquire apartment properties. So you got to think, lots of people, lots of units in one property tax position. So it doesn't say how many employees. They were founded in 2008, so this is the newest company that we'll be looking over. They have a dividend yield that's really high of almost 12% dividend yield for the year. I'm not sure on the price earnings ratio. It's probably a lot higher. That's why it's not here. They have 216 million, so it is a very small company, but again, it only started in 2008. 12% lower right now, so you can take that the way you want, and averages around $10.19. So this actually might be a company that you might want to get in on now today, so that way when its average goes to 10 and ultimately the high of 13, you'd be able to make some good profits, as well as having an 18-cent pretty much across the board for the earnings per share, which is great. I like that. I like to see the consistency of it. I, for one, haven't traded this stock. I just now added it to my watch list, and this is also something that I'll probably be purchasing. Now, BRG does have a 16-cent PE ratio for, I'm sorry, a 16-cent monthly dividend payout for a $9 stock. So that's where you get your 12% dividend yield. It's amazing. You get a lot monthly for this company. I would just be very careful because some high yield dividend companies are actually slowly declining and losing money, and that's a way for them to get investors to invest by saying, hey, I give you little bits of money, even though we are down 23% for the year, I'll give you a few points every month. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Just a quick recap on the 6 monthly paying stocks that are REITs, or real estate investment trusts, were LTC, APLE, STAG, O, EPR, and BRG. If you guys have any questions on any of these, you guys want me to make a video on a specific stock or just go into more detail on one of these specifically, I can do that. If you haven't checked out my other videos yet on my strong buys or on my monthly paying stocks videos, you're more than welcome to go and check that out. Also check out my website, www.cleverperceptions.com. Lots of useful information, tons of stuff on that website. Go ahead and check it out. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't yet already, please share this with your family and friends. Share it on Facebook. Let the world know what I'm trying to do here for everyone. All right, guys, you have a great day.